take these out of here. And let's unlatch these. I gotta take these off to show you.
Daddy's recording, guys.
Anyway, so I put the plywood on there, and this is for my trailer. So when I had to do my jobs, so the heavy things that I can't lift up, like the power washer in general, I pull it and I slide it up the ramp. And there's a little lip here, it's only about an inch, but I slide it up and put it on here and then strap it down with the ratchet ties. And I hook this up to my bicycle. On the back of my motorized bicycle, I got a rack, some type of rack, I forget exactly what it's called. And I strap this to the rack, and then I pull this with my motorized bicycle. Okay, but before I go, once I get it up there, I lift this up and I slide it back in there. And away it goes.